Pendant l'école fermée, qui ça n'a pas appris petite non? Hi guys, comment nous y est? C'est Daphne. So, l'école fermée pour 3 jours, pas de monter, pas de descendre. So, nous la caille là. Pendant moi la caille là, moi toujours prends petit temps moi gagne avec petite moi yo. Tant qu'on y a opportunité pour me montrer yo l'autre bagage qui nouveau. So, on allait avec. Matin, yo tout délevé, yo dit comme ça que c'est yo même qui fait manger matin. Pas de problème avec ça. So, yo voulez apprendre pour yo plus indépendante, pas de problème. So, Taylor voulait faire zé avec pain. Li remen zèl différent, ti garçon nan remen zèl différent. So, tout moun a fait zé au jan yo vle, pas de problème. An nou gade ki jan mesè dam yo a fonctionné matin nan cuisine nan. Nou pwe.
Now I have to get the fork. Save this for that.
So what are you doing?
I'm gonna take the germs out the eggs.
Germs?
Guys, I wish I had a lot of salt in there, but this is fine. So let's stir it.
Okay.
And now we have to mix it. Ready to mix. Ready? Guys, you're gonna place the stove on 8. Guys, I'm gonna wait till the stove get hot so I can place my eggs in. Wow, I can watch that cook all day. Ooh. Guys, now I have all my toppings, bananas, bread, and eggs. So let's make this together. Oh, forgot the butter knife. Now let's make it together. First, bananas. I want to make a heart. Now I'm going to take my butter knife to spread the bananas. Ready? Oops. Now I'm going to place it on top. And ta-da! Now I'm going to cut it with the butter knife. Come on, butter. Right, what? Ta-da! About to have fruits in the morning. An orange. I don't know how to peel it yet, so I'm gonna let my mom do it. Guys, I love oranges. But my dad said no juice in the morning, so we're gonna have water today. So I'm gonna taste the food for you all to see how it tastes. I will tell you it tastes good. The oranges. I don't like a lot of eggs on my sandwich. I will see you later, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that little bell. Bye. Let's get in.
All right.
First you take the germs out.
Bro, what's going on with your shirt?
Oh well, I have toothpaste,
Jesus Lord.
so I can brush my teeth.
When I was brushing my teeth.
And I was brushing my teeth. Now I'm gonna be adding pepper and salt on my eggs. I love pepper and salt in my eggs. Not just a lot. I'm gonna mix the eggs. Then we're gonna pour the oil on the pan.
All right, go ahead, son. All right, put it on the stove.
I'm going to pour the eggs into the pan. Then I'm gonna place the mayonnaise on the bread.
Okay, go ahead, son.
Then I'm gonna use the knife. Can you just try it? Then I'm gonna spread the mayonnaise on the bread. Now I'm gonna put the eggs on my bread. I'll put it on it. Then I put this bread onto the top of the eggs.
It's backward.
That works. You see this? This is a big boy sandwich. Taste it. Give me your orange. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe button, hit that little bell, and we'll see you next time.